In today's new viral vending machine video, let's talk about website link rotators and how to use them in your marketing and advertising. For starters, it's important to know the best website link rotators are almost always integrated with tracking, which means in addition to being able to rotate a variety of products, services, and offers through one link, you can also see where your traffic's being generated from. Today, you can literally step into a live demo of exactly how the website link rotator operates. As you're going through the demo, keep in mind you can use this same link rotator strategy with solo ads, safe list and traffic exchanges, email follow-up campaigns, and email broadcast. Inside the YouTube video description area or the button just below this video, we have several affiliate offers locked into a website link rotator. Each and every time that link or button is clicked, a brand new affiliate offer will appear in your browser. If you're an individual who wants to promote and advertise multiple affiliate offers or build multiple email subscriber lists simultaneously, using a rotator link strategy is one you might want to consider. To pick up one of the best website link rotators on the market today, absolutely free, visit the new viralvendingmachine.com. See you in rotation.